So, guys, tell me something here. Is this me or is this just weird? This is the first time I've ever seen just two birds sitting with each other or sitting next to each other for hours. And I mean hours. Like, this is crazy. And then there's another bird somewhere making so much noise, annoying. But these two are just cute as, I don't know, like cute AF. I guess that's where I needed to go with that. But yeah, this is the first time. Look, so I'm here at work, right? Making sure that everything's secure and that nobody comes on the property. And then all of a sudden I'm sitting around here and I noticed these two birds sitting next to each other. I don't think they even know that they're being watched right now. Maybe this is a couple thing, maybe this is a mom and a dad or something like that, or just not a mom and a dad, but like two little birdies in a relationship or whatever, or however you say it. I bet some person in the comment section would be like, how do you not know this, you fool? This is the first time that I've ever seen this, and I thought it was so miraculous that I thought about making a little clip about it. I don't know if I can get a closer look here. One second. I don't want to get too close, just to give you a better viewing of these beautiful creatures. This could get dark real quick with one of them just turning their heads and targeting me. Hopefully that doesn't become the case, but yeah, I don't think so. They look absolutely docile. Uh, and they are naturally docile birds, so that's not gonna be an issue at all. So I guess they maybe don't have a nest or anywhere else to sleep, and that's why they are just chilling here, you know. So cool. Now you get to see their fronts. It's awesome to see. I think one of them is looking at me like, what the hell is this guy doing? Yeah, but I'm not gonna stay too long. I don't want them to attack me in any way, but I just think it's beautiful. Sorry guys, I'm gonna leave you guys to your nap. Okay? Goodbye. Thanks for the video.